Lots of snow out there. Lots of snow, Curly. Woohoo! Dang, look at that tree. Ice on top. Snow on top of ice. Icicles all over the place. Lordy, lordy. Go play, go potty, Curly. He doesn't know what to do. Ooh, look at the snow on the grill. Dang. Well. Go potty, Curly. Go on. Go on. Hurry up. Silly girl. Okay, it's 2:30, and they are just now in the afternoon, and they are just now plowing the street. And see how much snow there really is. Aren't you glad you're not here? Sweet. Very pretty though.